Hi, welcome to AppGeeker channel. This video is about how to fix iPhone stuck on boot loop or restart loop. Your iPhone is on, but all you see is an Apple logo blinking on the screen and never complete the startup process. You can't leave your device alone into the loop of restarting with the Apple logo off and on over and over again, right? So we're gonna go through the easiest fixes for iPhone boot loop. What we're going to do first is force restart iPhone. Do this a couple of times to reboot the phone and see if it sorts itself out. Forcing iPhone to restart can sometimes resolve the boot loop on iPhone by refreshing iOS system. For iPhone 8, X, XS, XS, XS Max, 11, 12, 13 or later, use the volume up and side button in correct order. Do this right now. Press and quickly release volume up button, press and quickly release volume down button, then press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo stops flickering, release the side button. Your iPhone will stop the boot loop circle and turn back on in a few seconds. If the device could finish the startup process and turn on, iPhone keeps restarting loop should be fixed without a computer. If your phone continues to reboot, an Apple logo keeps appearing and disappearing on the display, you might be still stuck in infinite reboot loop. Alright, move to the next solution. Here we seek help from the professional iOS system recovery tool. You can find it in appgeeker.com. It's capable of tackling more than 150 iOS and iPadOS issues on a malfunctioning iOS device. Whether your iPhone falls into endless restart loop after restore, or while charging, updating iOS or transferring data, the software will quickly guide you to get out of the iPhone loop in a few simple clicks. You will find the download link in the description section below if you'd like to use it. Now go ahead and launch iOS System Recovery on your Mac or PC. Choose More Tools option from the sidebar on the left, then click on iOS System Recovery panel. The software then displays a list of system glitches including boot loops on the screen. Hit Start button to continue. To fix your boot looping iPhone, connect it to your computer with USB cable. If the device cannot be detected by the tool, you'll need to follow the on-screen steps to put it into recovery mode. Quickly press and release volume up button. Do the same press for volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Once connected, you should see your device information displaying on the interface. Then choose standard mode and click confirm button. This repair mode will not delete data on your device. Next, you'll be prompted to select a firmware package to download for iPhone so as to resolve the boot loop issue. Make sure to check the latest version of iOS that matches your device and download it instantly. Wait patiently and the software will take care of the rest. It installs the iOS and restore your phone back to a prior good point. Once the entire process is done, great, your iPhone boots back up again without any hiccup. If you prefer to use Apple Root to troubleshoot iPhone that is stuck in the infinite reboot loop, you could connect it to your computer that has iTunes loaded on it. If you're on a Mac with macOS Catalina or later, use Finder. Open iTunes and repeat the forced restart button combination. But this time hold the side button a bit longer until your phone's display shows a computer symbol and a USB cable, or until iTunes recognizes your phone that's in the continuous boot loop. In iTunes window, you should see a notification asking you update or restore your iPhone. Choose Update to move on. Your computer will begin installing the latest version of iOS for your device. Wait until the process to come to an end and the device should be able to boot to home screen. In case the iPhone becomes stuck in restart loop while restoring iPhone or updating iOS, things could lie in the outdated iTunes. So go ahead to check whether iTunes needs an update. To do this, open iTunes, click Help on the menu bar and choose Check for Updates. If it shows a new update available, click Download iTunes to get its latest version installed. Alright, here's another resolution to fix the iPhone when it continuously restarts. This requires a backup you've created before it gets into the boot loop issue. You can restore the phone from that previously backup to get out of the looping. Just start iTunes and connect your iPhone to the computer. If iTunes detects the device, then click the device icon at the top left corner. If not, the device icon won't display there. Finally, choose Summary from the left sidebar and then click Restore Backup. Continue to choose the backup and hit Restore button. Your iPhone should be restarting properly now after the process finishes. Hardware failure could also be a possible cause for your iPhone restarts. The only option is to contact Apple support for help. Hopefully this video helped you out and you will be able to fix your issue with your iPhone stuck in the restart loop. Please drop a comment below letting us know what solved your boot loop issue. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to AppGeeker channel if your device gets past the flashing Apple logo and loads back to home screen just like normal. Alright, everyone, thanks for watching.